Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda and I love saying things. Boop, boo, doo, 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 doo. Anyway, today I hope you're having a great day. I am surviving the week. We'll see how things go with the new job. I'm starting that this week, and how that goes, well, that remains to be seen. But please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. And I please will take all good wishes for my new job. We'll see. I haven't worked in a couple of years, so it's like a big deal to go back to work. So anyway, let's get started with a beautiful palette that I don't know how I feel about it. I did a quick look with this and I've swatched it before, but I have problems with some of the colors in it. Let's just get to it. It's the Maryjane palette. We love the glitter. And you can hear the glitter shake. It's very pretty. And this is what it looks like on the inside. You can tell I've been digging in it. Let's have some swatches. Bam! Swatches. And this is a color, and there's a color right here. Oh, I got a little owie, but you can barely see it. But everything else swatched pretty good. The shimmers swatched excellent. The mattes were a little harder to work with, but it's beautiful. I'm wearing a new tie-dye with some lightning bolts in a heart. Lightning bolts in a heart. And let's make sure we don't mess up this new shirt with this grungy palette. And as you guys, if you've known me for a little bit, you know I love grunge. I love grungy palettes. I really do. So let's make a look with this palette. And I'm going to start off with Mari, which is this beautiful taupe color. I cannot wait to put it. I've used this color before and it went on really nicely. Okay, now I'm done with that color. And there's a lot of places to go with this palette. I still think this needs a little more up here. There we go. That looks a little better. I know. Will I ever stop with the color Mari? No. Maybe not. Maybe not ever. Maybe it'll be my favorite color out of this palette. I'm going to go next into... it's so hard. It's such a hard palette to choose what to do. I'm going to go into Bow right here. And it's kind of a brown shimmer. It picked up really nicely. Some of these colors have a lot of fallout. There we go. That's enough of Bow. That was a good color. She's fine, lass. That Bow. Does anybody remember Bo Derek? She was very famous for being blonde and a perfect 10. But I'm gonna blend this out some. That's pretty. That looks nice. That looks very nice. And I don't know that I want to do a lot with it. I want to go into Kali right here, this shimmer, and put it on my lid. Oh yeah. Super pretty. Feels crumbly though. I'm really on the fence on whether I'm going to keep this palette or not. I really like this look that I've made so far, but I haven't really done anything but use 3 colors. But it's a very pretty look. I think I'm just going to put some mascara and eyeliner on and then call it a day. So when you see me next, I'll have mascara and eyeliner on. And here is the mascara and eyeliner. And next up, we're going to do a real special lip color. Why is it I can never find anything? But I found it. I did. It is Hidden Hills from Jeffree Star, and it is a beautiful nude matte color. And it is cool tone like this palette. And this makes for a really beautiful look. I feel like I need to change my shirt because it doesn't go at all with this beautiful tie-dye. But it is a gorgeous look and I love it. I'm on the fence about this palette because this looks great. This was a great easy look. But I know that with melt palettes, I just get on the fence about them. But this just turned out so beautiful. How can I not love this palette? There it is. I guess I'm keeping it. I'm keeping my baby. I'm gonna keep the Maryjane palette because of looks like this. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you real soon.